is blinking red.
It's recording. Take your dad.
Daddy, who's got the funked up kicks?
Lauren?
Oh, yeah. And
Lauren.
boo. This is the refrigerator. It's a type of thing where you put your food. And this is the deck where you play, where you eat outside. This is the backyard. See all that grass? That means it's a backyard. And see that trampoline? That means you have a little pot to use. Isn't it so beautiful? I love my home.
Yeah, it's nice down there.
Take your mom.
Mommy, who's got the fun kicks?
Lauren does.
This is the outdoor place where we play. Yeah! And we eat on the deck.
There's right on the side of the tacos. Do you want me to take one of those beefs out, Ellie?
Yeah.
Can it fall on the counter?
Or you can run water and put it in there.
I'm done making my video on Kelly.
All right, press the red button again.